Feng Shui is a philosophy and practice that originated in ancient China, focusing on the idea of balancing the energies of a space. It encompasses many aspects of life, including health, career, relationships, and wealth. Its modern interpretation has become popular in Western countries as well, with many people turning to Feng Shui to cultivate harmony in their homes and their workplaces. Feng Shui is based on the traditional Chinese belief that everything in a space has its own energy or qi. The goal of Feng Shui is to balance these energies to create harmony and promote well-being. To do this, practitioners look at the arrangement of furniture, the placement of doors and windows, direction of rooms, and other aspects of a space. They may also use symbols and colors to enhance the energy flow in a room. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.